Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be going to Subway, but not any kind of Subway, homemade Subway. We got stuff from the store. Of course, I'm snacking on marshmallows, duh, and it's the like fruit marshmallows, mini fruit marshmallows. Oh, it's cold out here. If you guys haven't seen my other video, it was snowing super bad. But yeah, and I'm gonna be setting something up, so I will show you guys that. But yeah, and we got these gloves. Why there's only like two is because I was like, Mom, we need gloves for the thing, and she said, no, I don't want to buy anymore. But then we saw this pack of gloves that was open, and then it's supposed to be for like the employees or something. But then my mom told me to take two, and that's what we did. So, and we're gonna take turns being the person that makes the Subway stuff. So I'm gonna go first, and then my mom's gonna go. So yeah.
I don't know why it's so freaking cold.
Yeah, it is pretty cold out there.
It's pretty cold.
It's so pretty cold out there.
It's spring and it's like a blizzard.
You're pretty. Mom, you're pretty smart.
I am pretty smart on occasion.
Let's go. Noise. What is that?
I don't know what that is. I was wondering the same thing.
It's not snot, because my nose doesn't. If it was, it is not snot.
It's not snot.
No, it is not snot.
I thought you said snot.
It is not snot. Cause if it was snot, I would wipe it, but I didn't have to do that, so I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm gonna take off my shoes.
Daddy's just sleeping away.
My shoes. My shoes.
He's so bad.
I'm taking off my shoes. I'm taking off my shoes.
Dang, I really don't want to walk on the carpet. Wet shit, but I must.
My shoes. I have shoes. Shoes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Gummy bears are chasing me. One is red, one is blue. One stole my shoe, and the red one has a knife. Now I'm running for my life. I don't know if that's actually how you sing it, but because I don't know all the words, I just used to hear kids singing it at my school. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Gummy bears are chasing. I am eating a marshmallow. I can't eat these. I'm not gonna eat these all day. I'm gonna be turning our kitchen into a Subway place.
Oh my god, I'm gonna drop stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, we might need to clear up.
We are gonna turn this very kitchen right here, into a Subway place. That's gonna be hard. Subway place, eat fresh. Okay. So first we gotta move these bananas. We'll put, this is the back, so no one should see over here. But oh yeah, and guys, we got these. We couldn't find cheesy bread, or we would get cheesy bread. This is where we are going to set up the stuff, and like make it. But this right now, is going to go over here. We're all gonna put it over there, and then we can start doing this.
Put the cheese and the tomatoes.
Yes, we will cut up. Okay, we need to clean this place up.
Yes, we do.
If we
Oh
want
my God, I'm gonna pee my pants.
to. We just said that.
I did just say that. What of it?
In front of the camera.
Oh, well, don't make fun of me, folks.
Okay. So now this is gonna cut right there, and put this in there like that, and then we have this nice. There we go. Oh, never mind. I can't do that. Then we'll just leave that there, and then we will start setting up the stuff. Okay, so first the spinach. Should I open it? Mom, should I open the spinach? She didn't say anything, so you know what? I'm just gonna get that ready. Okay. We got the spinach. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's open. I'm gonna put that back there. Okay. I'm getting a bowl. Guys, I don't know why I still have my jacket on. Okay, I'm gonna go put this away so I can have my phone. I always like cover the camera with my hand for some reason by accident. But okay, now I'm gonna pour some spinach in here. Well, not like pour, like grab some spinach. Oh shoot. Okay. Still have a lot of spinach in here, but since this is the back, we're just gonna put that right there. And then that's what it looks like right now. Right now. Okay, we'll go right there. Okay, next, the chip section. We will do it in a second, but I'm just trying to set everything up. These are just gonna stay in the bag, I think.
Yeah.
Cause they like have them in the bag and then they take them out. So that's what we're gonna do. But I'm just gonna tighten this a little bit, just a little bit, not how like it was before. See that? So we're gonna put those right there. Wait, no, actually we're gonna put these in the back. So we
Let's just take that.
and then we
Put away the schmalls.
yeah. And then we have some black olives. Mom, can you help me open these?
Never. Just
Thank
kidding.
you.
I will on Tuesday. But today's not Tuesday.
Oof. And then we're gonna pour the black olives in here. I'm so excited to do this. And then we have some tomatoes. I'll have to cut these up because I know how to cut up tomatoes. So we'll use like some stuff for that.
We need a new can opener. This can opener sucks. Probably because it's the cheapest one I could find.
Ooh, pour the juices out.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, guys, look at this. Ooh, smells delicious. Oh my god. Looks like dog food.
Looks like food. Did you rinse off the spinach?
Oh no.
Yep. We want to rinse it off.
I guess we gotta rinse off the spinach now. Oh my god.
Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, you got it? Got it. Good job.
My first radio.
It's not your first radio. You mean rodeo?
Yeah.
Whatever it's called.
Okay. Now we're gonna cut up the tomatoes, you guys. My mom's gonna do a little dancey dance. Okay. So I wanna cut up the tomatoes now. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut tomatoes. Do not do this without
an adult's present.
Yeah. Adults supervising.
Rinse those off too if you don't know.
Okay, then we gotta rinse these off now. I got them all rinsed off. Now I'm going to take the scissors.
Let me wash this real quick because we need this knife to cut the tomatoes.
Okay, my mom is going to wash the knife.
The knife.
Yeah, the knife. Can I just...
No.
What?
No.
Okay.
Never.
So there is the top, you guys. And then this is how you cut stuff. You put your fingers like this, like right there, and so you can't cut it because if you're like this, then you can chop off your fingers. But if it's like this, then you just cut along your fingers. You might get like a little cut right there if you're not careful. Go like that. But you gotta go careful, y'all, and you gotta cut off that part and that part because that's the bad part. You just go like. And then you can go.
I like your sound effects.
Yeah. I hate cutting boards because they could give you splinters, so that's why I don't like to touch them. So yeah. Okay.
I have a plastic one. This one should be pretty good, but yeah. This is a serrated knife. Serrated knife, so it's easier to cut.
Okay. So first, I'm gonna
We might just need one of those tomatoes too.
Okay.
I don't know for sure.
So we are taking this part, and then we're just gonna set that to the side.
I'm gonna cut up some cheese for us.
Okay. I'm gonna take this side.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
See that? We gotta keep cutting for that. To get rid of that. Gotta get rid of the middle. Y'all, I don't know what to do. Okay, whatever.
You got it?
Do we need to cut out the middle?
No.
No.
You
Okay.
just slice them up.
Okay. So, got this piece, that piece is a bad part. This piece is the top. Okay. And now, I'm just gonna go like this. Maybe that's too small. Should I do it like this, y'all? I think so. Oopsie, I made little pieces. Okay. Then I'll cut these up in little pieces too. Okay, this is okay.
Here we go.
Ooh. I love cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got that. Keep cutting small pieces. Let's cut it like this now. This one.
I think I'm gonna use a big knife for this. Why is this knife dirty? And there's like fingerprints on it.
Told you guys I know how to cut.
Okay.
Okay. Subways. But that's okay. Everybody is different.
Everybody's different. If we were all the same,
That would be,
it would make life boring.
yeah. So that's okay. If it's different. It doesn't have to be perfect. Y'all, this is going to be such a fun video. That's fine. Literally like an extra fun video. I still got to set up stuff. Like, got to set up the chip station. Like, oh my god, how does Subway do it?
They have more than 2 people. Not always, though, actually.
They actually might have one sometimes.
Yeah. Ooh, you're gonna love this piece. Eating the crap out of that. So thin.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Cheers. Clink.
So good. Okay.
Yeah.
Get some bowls to put that cheese in there. Because that's what Subway's has. Okay. That's so good.
You think that's enough for both of our sandwiches? Probably not.
Yeah.
Should be enough. Maybe I'll cut 1 or 2 more. If we have extra, we can eat them.
Yeah. Then do a lot, because I want extra. Well, we could just have like some on the side.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, there. What the heck? Okay, good. Some big tomatoes in there, some small. Whatever. Oh, I thought that was going to be easy. Oh, yep, it was. I did it.
That'll be plenty of cheese, I think.
Yeah. Can you get me a thin piece?
Mm-hmm.
Comment down below if you guys like thick pieces or thin pieces. I feel like I just don't. I hate thick pieces, like how thin that is. I love thin pieces. I feel like too much cheese will make me throw up.
That's pretty good. Alright.
Like too much cheese, I'll go and like gag.
Like too much at once, huh? Alright, we're gonna put this block of cheese in a bag. In a bag.
We had to get a cheese break, you know. You know, Subway people get hungry sometimes.
Yeah.
It's gonna be an awesome video. I keep saying that, but like literally.
It's gonna be so good. So good. Did you try that tomato?
Oh no, I haven't tried any tomatoes.
Try a little piece of that tomato and see if it's sweet.
I want to try a little piece too.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Good tomatoes.
Okay. Yeah, we definitely don't need that other tomato. Look at that.
Yeah, that's plenty. Hey.
I still have to set up this whole place.
Here's some cheeses.
Okay. Can you grab a bowl from up there?
Yes.
We need all the bowls in the whole entire room.
I know. We're going to have so many dishes.
Okay.
Oh. Did you need another bowl?
Yeah, for the... Oh.
I'll put it on.
Yeah, we need another bowl.
You do for what?
I think.
Oh, pickles?
Yes. Pickles. Duh.
Duh.
Okay, y'all. I'm trying to do this very... not so fast. Because we literally have like the whole day to do this, but... I'm kind of hungry. I want to eat Subway. So... Still gotta make our uniforms though. Well, one of us is gonna share. We're gonna share the uniforms because one of us is only gonna be here at a time. Make the other person's food.
Pickle?
Yes, please. I love pickles.
Pickles are yummy. Alright.
How
Open
good?
up this big ass mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.
And then, we need to clean up this one. Okay, you guys can come with me. I have like the perfect uniform, but it doesn't say Subway on it. I wish it did, but it doesn't. Aha! It is orange instead of green, but whatever. It says Home Depot, but I think it will fit my mom. We need.
You found me that?
No, it's just small.
I know.
Got this, and then need this. Okay, let's go. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do this. Oh, I need tape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a Subway sign, like a big one, and to tape on the uniform so it says Subway instead of Home Depot. All right, we need something to put that in.
I'm just leaving it in here.
Now what? Now what was I gonna get? Oh yeah, tape.
I don't know if we have it. Oh, we do have it. Tape. Jim, look at that.
Clear tape. Okay. So let's make this real quick. I told you this was gonna be a really fun video. It was my mom's idea to get the food stuff, but then it was my idea to make this video. It's probably gonna get millions of views. Hopefully. Maybe not. I don't get that many views. Views. Oh, we can use this. Shoot, I need scissors. Ugh. Mom, can you bring me some scissors? Can you bring me some scissors? Okay. What is the first half of Subway? Is it green and then white?
I think so.
Okay. No, I really hope it is, cause
Otherwise, it'll be our version of Subway.
yeah. I know how to spell Subway because it was one of my spelling moments at school. S-U-B-B-B-B. Sub. Mom, I'm actually gonna make our own Subway, so it's gonna be not the same as actual Subway, okay? Okay. So I just realized that I don't have white and marker, so I'm gonna use this. Sub. Wait, what is this? Okay, that's like the same exact color. It's supposed to be a lighter green, but it seems like it's the same color. Okay, then I guess we're just gonna use blue. My favorite color, Sub. It's so easy because you just spell sub, and then you just put way at the end. A-N-N-O-Y. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. Subway. And then I'm going to cut it out a little bit. Hopefully it looks good. Cut off that part. Okay, I'm gonna make the corners like not sharp. Because okay. So what it looks like, it looks pretty good. Then we're just gonna tape it on to the thing. Hopefully this will work. Oh my god, guys, it works. And then good to eat. And then at the bottom we're gonna say good to eat. And then it says, hi, my name is Addie. Ah! Can't believe this worked. Okay, that's how it's gonna be. Okay, use this piece. What the? The helicopter landing? Like, it's so loud.
Did you bring the gloves in?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Look at you. Look at you go.
Yeah, I'm good at this stuff. I'm very crafty. Okay, this is how big one of the pieces is gonna be.
You better hurry up before I eat all this food out here.
Don't. We need it for the subway.
I know.
You can't rush perfect.
Oh, so sorry. You're right. You're right.
Okay. Put it like that. Okay. So like, you need a piece like that big. Just like that big. Yo. Now there's hair on it. I can't use that piece. It's about that big. It's supposed to be about that big. Should be like. I think that's a little too big. Whatever. Yeah, that was like perfect. Okay, that big of a piece of tape. Now we need a piece that big. Literally this big. We need a small piece. Shoot. Way too big. Ow.
You okay?
Mm-hmm. And then, what is Subway?
Eat fresh.
Eat fresh.
That's alright. We can just leave it like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
But I want
Alright. Well, hurry.
to build, learn, create. That's okay.
Because, yeah, Gavin's probably gonna wake up at some point.
Okay. So.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna fit me.
It fits me.
Good.
And look, it says, "Hi, my name is."
Eddie. Subway. Nice. I like it.
Okay. Can you put a piece right there?
If you hand me the tape and scissors.
It's gonna look so nice. That's a good idea, right?
Very good idea.
Subway, and then I'm gonna tie the back like that. And boom, 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 boom.
Let me see.
Right there.
There you go.
Okay. There you go. Now, y'all, I think we are gonna be almost ready to do this.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. I came right off.
Do you need help?
Hold on, let me do the first tie. Okay, y'all, my mom needs to help me with this. Welcome to Subway. What would you like to eat today? I'm practicing, y'all. Look at this. Subway. How do I look, Mom?
Fantastic.
Now, I have to do something.
We're actually allowed to put Subway on there, but it's not the same color, so we're
Yeah, it's not the same colors. So, that's
not
fine.
real Subway, obviously.
Yeah, it's fake Subway. Okay, yeah. Now, we just need to cut up. Okay, I need to cut up the chip
You want me to
section.
cut the bread
real quick.
open?
Yeah. Okay, you guys can watch me. Hopefully that didn't wake up Gavin. Wait, Mom, you keep them entertained. I've got to go grab something.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm cutting the bread. I would show you, except I'm not going to. Because I don't want to make a mess on the floor.
Okay, y'all, I'm almost done. I just need to do something. I am almost done, y'all. Mom, keep them entertained.
Okay. I'm getting out plates, everybody, so we can eat on a plate. Can you see me? You can see me. Here's the cut bread. And I just got another piece.
Okay. We have now the chip section. Okay. I have the chip section. Now we just gotta set up the chips.
Okay. Got the bread cut open.
Okay, good. Everything's fine.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious.
Want to help me set up the chip section?
No, stay got the lid.
Okay, you start putting this top, this part will be all here, and then the bottom part will be all the other stuff. Oh, shoot. Okay, and then we can like put other those things in it.
What?
We can also put these in there. Okay, that looks so good. And then we can start putting some in there. Okay. Okay, y'all. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so this, we have this here. Napkin, it's gonna be right there. And then we have tea chip section over here. Mom, we should actually like leave this here. This is like a great idea.
Right.
And then we can just have a chip section in our house. Guys, this is what it looks like. The top and the bottom. That's what it looks like. It literally looks so good. So, yeah, let's do this. Okay, so Mommy, you gotta.
Oh,
real quick. Okay. So, here we go. Okay. Hi, welcome to Subway. What would you like to get today?
I want a sandwich.
Okay. And what would you like on your sandwich?
Hard salami. Oh wait, should we put mayonnaise on it first?
It's up to you. What would you like first?
We'll do mayonnaise.
Okay. Take some mayonnaise. Put it on there. Oh, shoot. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Okay, there we go.
I like lots of mayonnaise.
Lots of mayonnaise? You want
Yeah.
more?
Yeah, please.
More?
No, that's probably good.
Okay.
Thank you.
And what would you like next?
Hard salami.
We got the hot lemon. Oh, whoops. Gotta scoot that over a little bit. Shoot, the gloves.
Where are they?
Hold on, you guys. Mom, keep them into the table, but
Okay. We
don't
got
do anything
hard
else with
salami.
your sandwich.
Okay.
Mom!
I was just spreading this out a little bit more right here, that's all.
You're not allowed to do that.
Sorry, I didn't.
You would have just did that. Where are the gloves?
I don't know, you said you brought them in.
It's fine, we don't need those.
Okay, pretend we're wearing gloves.
Yeah, pretend. Okay. And how many pieces of salami do you want?
Quite a bit.
Quite a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, do like at least 2 more layers of that.
2 more, jeez.
Yeah. I like extra meat on the Subway.
More? You said 2 more layers, so
Yeah.
that's 1 more layer.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, now what?
Then cheese, please. Perfect.
Is that all just cheese? One more.
Maybe one more, like right there.
Okay, 1 more. Right there.
Okay. Okay, and then some spinach. Oh, maybe I want some mustard too. Maybe I'll do a little
Mustard?
mustard. Yeah.
How much more spinach?
A little more spinach, yeah.
Okay. Okay, like this. And then got this little piece. There we go. And then how much mustard? Tell me when to stop.
Okay. That's probably good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, well, and then tomatoes, please.
Tomatoes. Look at this chunky one.
Delicious.
You're not allowed to go in the back.
Sorry. I was just gonna so you could fold it like they do, you know.
Is that enough tomatoes?
Yes. Spread it out a little bit. Sorry, yeah, am I particular about my sandwiches?
Yes.
I am.
Okay, there. Is that good?
Yep.
Anything
Perfect.
else?
No, thank you. Looks good.
Oh, God.
Beautiful. Show them the finished product.
Okay, yo, this looks like
Oh, yeah.
we should make our own brand. Like, look at that.
Right?
Comment down below if we should,
Start a Subway sandwich
Yeah.
shop. A sub sandwich shop.
Okay,
We'll call it that. Thank you. Here's your money.
thank you. Oh, and wait, let me get you a plate.
Oh, thank you. Oh, my goodness.
Okay, and you can go pick from the chip section.
Oh, yeah.
See what she picks. Ooh, the Cheetos. Yeah, that's a good one. But yeah, and would you like anything to drink, ma'am?
Yeah, please.
We don't have Subway cups, but that's okay. Okay. What would you like?
Sweet tea.
Okay. Got the sweet tea. Oh,
Oh,
God.
sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
I was going to grab a cup.
Okay. Well, I totally am getting the cups right now. Okay.
You obviously have to fill all of that.
There we go.
Thank you, ma'am.
And then I can bring all your stuff. Go sit down, find a table. What would you like?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first I'm gonna bring a drink. Here you go.
Thank you.
And then our how about we call it Buck's Way? But in our Buck's Way, we have actually a TV where you can pick whatever show you want, but you gotta wait for your other person
Okay.
to pick
Okay.
too. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put this on top like that.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, y'all. Now you gotta make mine.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, my mom has to undo this so she can wear it.
It. I'm just going to take one bite and I'll let you know how it is.
Okay, it better be good because I made it with love.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
See, I knew it was gonna fit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like Subway? I mean Buck's Way?
Mm-hmm.
Dang it, we should have started Buck's Way.
That's all right. Next one.
Okay, so guys, pretend the sign says Buck's Way. Comment down below if we should make our own Buck's Way. Instead of Subway, it's Buck's Way.
Yeah, because we make
So-
big bucks.
Wait.
All right.
Come on, y'all.
For you?
Can I please have a sandwich?
Yes. What would you like on your sandwich?
Can I have some mayonnaise, please?
Do you like a lot or a little?
About like medium.
Okay.
That's probably good enough.
You sure that's good enough?
Maybe a little bit more.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay.
And can I have some hard salami?
Yes. How much hard salami would you like?
A lot.
What, kind of like the last customers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then one more, and I think that's good.
Okay.
And then can I have some tomatoes?
Mm-hmm. Do you like a lot or a little?
A lot.
Okay. Is that good or more?
Yep, that's good.
Good.
And then can I have some black olives, please?
Mhm. More or
Can I have more, please?
yeah. More?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please. I like a lot.
How's that?
I think that's good. And now can I have some pickles, please?
Yes. Is that good?
Oh yeah, that's good. And some cheese, please.
All right.
And I like a load of cheese.
Okay,
Please,
so like
please, please.
double layer it up.
Yeah. You see nothing. You literally see nothing.
Excuse me, ma'am. You're not allowed to touch that.
You see nothing, though. You see nothing. Nothing's here. Nothing's happening.
How's that?
That is so good. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Do you want mustard or no?
No mustard, please.
Okay. Alrighty. Just gonna.
And then I will go pick some chips.
Would you like your sandwich cut in half?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Sorry, I forgot to ask you.
That's okay. All right. There you have it.
Can I also have some sweet tea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Like, this video was so good. Like, no, I bet nobody is definitely not gonna copy us. Can I just throw some cheese? Hello.
Whoops.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Okay, y'all. Now that she left, me and my mom are gonna eat a Subway and watch something. So I think that's it for today's video. Bye.
Wouldn't be a video without me burping.